Everybody cut loose, cut loose. It's up and up, on loose. Vlog, part dos. We're gonna start tackling this. Yeah. This part here. This. And this. And these have to be replaced. So, with Derrick's knuckles, they're gonna get shortened here. This is gonna get shortened. These are gonna be replaced with 06 Maxima outers and inner tie rods. And
a couple long boy.
This, the control arm, is gonna get extended 50 millimeters. Oh my god, no. Your thumb.
He's addicted. He's got problems.
But I mean, these ones right here, 182 shipping calculation.
With just $2, you could help a broke bitch.
Broke hot boy.
A broke hot boy get wheels.
245, that would make them like 4-ish.
He's got problems, man. Like, it's an addiction, and it's an issue. Look, he's looking at wheels, right? And now Facebook, but he's looking at wheels. He's got F101s, he's got race paint in place, he's got 8 wheels back here. He got problems. So we stopped at the knuckle plug. Tom's getting himself some turny boys.
Yeah. All
so,
the angles.
So if you guys don't know, this is Derrick. If you don't recognize this car for some reason, we had a little incident with the previous chassis. Civilians. Ooh, yeah.
Control arm jig works very nicely. I've done probably like 12 pairs.
That's for the knuckle?
Yep.
Oh,
this is for the...
Or for the little control arm. Yeah.
40 mils. Oh, again.
Snap.
Thanks, Villains.
Thanks, Villains.
It's always hooking me up.
Oh, yeah. So this is Derrick's kind of like car for right now. He's got some other plans with something else, but those are secrets. Oh, there's a spider.
Oh, you woke up. Ah. Finished welding my control arms.
Yep, it's all done for
Perfect.
nice penetration right here.
That should hold up to as much drifting as I do.
There you go. Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna make them look pretty.
Go powder coat them. Of course.
Bam. Bam. Now we're in the press.
Go 50 snaps.
And one.
Back it off quarter turn.
And just like that, we've got a ball joint and a control arm. Viewers at home, watch your eyeballs.
Yeah, engage your safety squints because it's safer when you squint. Right? You get less, like there's less surface area. It's engaging the safety squints. Make sure you get your fingers in there too, so when it snaps, it gives you a blood blister. You get it on just like that, so it's barely on there.
Oh yeah, nice.
And you just give it a couple swacks.
Whoa!
Bam! Don't forget to install your boot.
Never forget the boot.
Bam.
Boot and rally.
We learned the hard way on Josh's. Take the boot off before you press the ball joint in, because it will ruin them. Like if you're just like an idiot and just are like, oh, I'm gonna press this ball joint in, and then you press it in with the boot on and it tears the boot and it gets stuck in there and it makes your life a living hell. This is gonna be good.
How many?
That's probably good. I was gonna let him go until he blows the boot off, but I'm like, oh, it's just more work for me. What kind of grease is that? Looks black to me.
Pretty black.
Looks pretty. Focus, you. Ta-da! Couple cut boys. The man, the myth, the legend. The Ludz fab.
Well, stop!
Oh, steel arm.
They don't know anything about bolt spigots.
Yeah, bolt spigots. Building wheels. She's showing. Oh, that's not too bad. Bam! We got some cut and welded knuckles by Ludz fab again.
What would you do without the tub?
You know, he's a fabricator as well too. He builds cages too.
So if you need a cage, modded knuckles, modded control arm, metal grinding,
Swirl pots,
swirl pots,
aluminum stuff, TIG welding, charge
intakes,
pipes,
pie cuts,
diff welded.
exhaust,
That guy, him. He builds shit.
and you don't.
Well,
Well, I was talking to the viewer. Oh,
It's a tension rod.
we're using the GK Tech Johnny's version 4s.
Jika tech. Good tech.
Very, very high clearance. They work very good.
Nice boys.
Yep. I know from my one run with the S14. Assembly is pretty much disassembly in reverse. There's nothing different. Yeah. But we're gonna do a burnout.
Forget.
Frig yeah, bub.
Forget.
I think she'll party.
finally got two wheels going. Woo!
What a turd.
Last words.
Ow. Like, share, and subscribe. Get me out of here.
Do that.